Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. So this is actually my patient. This is quite a thick plug, this one, by the looks of it.
Chewing gum.
It is. It's got that real chewing gum vibe about it, isn't it? So it's a very thick, sticky, almost like a soft clay kind of consistency, isn't it? It's very, 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 very thin.
Yeah, the ideal sort of situations with these ones, as you're doing there now, you start suctioning from the bottom and you just see it all start to peel away, but it just never happens with these ones. No,
it's almost like people that food stuff reference. It's like Nutella. Or no, actually, I did promise somebody who sent me a message from Australia that I'd include an Australian food reference.
Oh,
so I'm going to go with Vegemite, which I think is a bit like Marmite. As far as I can tell. What's the other one's a bit like Marmite? Come to me in a minute. No, it is Marmite I'm thinking of. Yeah, that kind of thick brown Nutella. Stop me talking. I'm just food stuff to ruin every single food stuff for people.
You'll never ruin food for me. You'll never ruin food for me.
But anyway, it's like that. A very, very sticky kind of soft material. This is very soft wax.
You do sometimes find, I have found sometimes that like kind of drowning these ones out with oil sometimes helps quite a lot.
Yeah. Also irrigation would probably work quite well on this one, thinking about it, looking at that.
Yeah.
Oh, that would probably wash it forwards.
Oh, there we are. We got that. That's kind of what I was saying about when you start seeing it all peeling away.
That keratin underlayer.
Yeah.
That sort of top epithelial layer of skin in the ear canal. You know, don't forget that's the surface layer or the front layer you see on the eardrum. That forms this surface, this epithelial layer going down the canal, which sort of migrates out and should take the wax along with it. But that's what we're seeing here is where it gets to the outer portion of the ear canal. It's really starting to fill with keratin. It's that thicker keratin layer there, and this is welded onto it.
You normally find that these types of wax occlusions and blockages are normally from people that wear like sleeping plugs at night, or hearing aids. Things that are stopping the wax from coming out naturally. And you can kind of see at the start it almost looked really flat as well, as if something had been pushing up against it.
Oh yeah, it's a bit of oil going in now just to help it along. Don't forget, guys, if you do have problems with your ears yourself, you can always check out the description, follow the link tree, and get yourself an appointment with myself or the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. If you are too far away to come along, always make sure you check out the HCPC register here in the UK. Make sure the person you are seeing is registered as at least a hearing aid dispenser, HAD in front of their number on the HCPC register. That way then at least you're dealing with somebody who specialises in ears. There are a lot of weird and wonderful people popping up at the moment doing this kind of job or this kind of thing. So yeah, just make sure you always check the background of your practitioner, guys. There you go.
I don't know why, I had a really weird thing in my head that I could just imagine, like you go to a spa or something, you're in the middle of having a nice little massage, chilling out, and the masseuse goes into your ear and they go, do you want to have your wax taken out as well?
I saw somebody the other day, I saw Facebook, people tag us in Facebook videos all the time, and there was somebody the other day, there was no bridge at all, nothing. There was not even a light in the ear. They were literally just holding the suction tube in there and wiggling it around. Oh my goodness me, guys. Just be really careful out there. There's loads of funny old things to up. A little bit of tympanosclerosis, which is that white patch there on the eardrum, sometimes linked to a little bit of scarring, sometimes just from ear infections. Sometimes it just spontaneously appears, doesn't really hurt the hearing or affect the hearing in any way there. What, you on inches or centimetres on this one?
3/4 of an inch.
Oh, well then, 2 centimetres, bang on.
Just under, yeah.
There we go. Sorry, go on, you can start us off with talking again.
Oh, no, don't you do it. You do it, please. I forgot.
As always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
Take care of Don't forget, it is coming up to that time of the year again where Waxfront is just around the corner. Myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green are getting prepped. Building work's still going on, so bear with us, we are. But I promise it will not interrupt Waxfront, even if we have to come in early in the morning, later, even if I have to come in early in the morning. You will get your Waxfront videos this year, I promise, guys, I promise. And that's it.
That's it, yeah. We shall see you on the next video. Bye.